Hey, hello everybody. My name is John Conley. I just attended the two-day seminar, day one of the two-day seminar with AGM. It's the AI seminar, and let me tell you, starting off, it's been great. I've gotten so much useful information that I feel like I have enough to actually use and really get my business going in the right direction with understanding of marketing and what it actually takes, the type of prompts that you actually need to use to get the reply that you're looking for from the AI, and how to create a logo, which is actually my next step in my company. So much useful information uh, for the amount that I paid. Well worth it. I mean, 10 times more value from the amount that I actually paid for it. And I'm so grateful. So thank you, everyone, Manuel and everyone at AGM. You guys are really giving us a lot of value. Thank you so much.